look crazy. No, you make yourself look crazy. Hell, I ain't the goofy person that don't know other people's schedule you trying to talk to. Uh, uh, hell, they got too much free time, but you know how free time people are. You dig? Free time people. Hell. But anyways, let's see if they let's see. Like not getting the point that just calling back to back to back ain't gonna get you what you want because I'm still busy, busy, busy. What you say? You keep a knocking, but you can't come in. Come on. This is exactly why I'm rolling up like I don't give a fuck. But anyways, let's see. That's a good thing about the YouTube video. Y'all just gonna have to deal with that. The Rumble people are looking at me like, man, this phone do keep ringing. That motherfucker crazy as hell. But anyways, let's see. Watch time hours. Y'all know how to help me get those up. Because if y'all want me to actually reapply for monetization, that's not hard for me to do. I just got to get about 11. Oh no, I was under 1,100 watch hours, so I need about 2 or 3 thousand watch hours. That's a whole nother story to itself. But anyways, I digress. Let me take y'all in this green room because I can roll with my hands and deal with shit on the other side. Let's see. Let's stop by tent 2. It looks like I need to check the water on these 3 that I changed the other day. They don't seem to be happy. But hell, it'd be like that sometime. The 3 in the back still rocking with me a little bit. Tent 2 doing good to somebody. I got clones ready to transplant. They look like they trying to fucking flower though, but hell, y'all gotta zoom in to see that yourself. I ain't gonna show you because I'm trying to get up out of here. Let's see. Yeah, we an hour and 10 minutes into the video. Anyways, for Mother's Day, I get to grow tomatoes for my mother. I got conned into doing that since you know you got the garden popping. You got space to do something with these tomatoes. Yeah, she got a lot of them started too. 1, 2, 3 pots of them. And then the other thing that I was gifted from her being gifted stuff was these begonias. I got a dragon wing begonia. It's a premium fucking plant, appropriately from Farm Fresh, which we ain't gonna give them no more shout outs because they gonna have to pay for a sponsorship. Y'all know the way we work around here. We ain't putting in work for free. We'll give them a little quick shout out, but we ain't gonna talk too much about them. You see, it looks good. It's got some nice flowers to it. Hell, got a hanging hook to it also. So if I find somewhere better to put it, I will. Just for now, it's in here so I can get used to its watering schedule and do my research on it. That'll be another video coming up on the cultivation channel because you know we got homework we got to put in over there too. The playlist over here is 2025 homework, but hell, you know how we gonna do. But yeah, y'all see the green room? Like I said, we got a couple new projects in here. Like with these tomatoes, I'm just gonna probably basically get that tomato net from outside, build up the trellis, put it in a spot to itself, and just rock out and pop out with that and get them basically pinned and trellised up to the side and just get them producing tomatoes. So, you know, tomatoes, right? Get some ketchup going in here. But besides that, I apparently have somebody stalking my phone, so I'm gonna have to go handle that. And I'm gonna catch y'all back on Saturday and Sunday at 10 a.m. Unless you want to be involved in Super Saturday over on Spider Pig. I'll see y'all there first.